Hey, g'day guys, it's Bish Dog Maths. It's been a while, but we're back doing maths, and today we're looking at the area of a sector circle. So what is a sector? It's a part of a circle. So here's a circle, there's the middle, there's two radiuses or radii, 50 millimeters that way, and obviously this one's 50 millimeters that way. And we know the degrees of this sector, 72. Okay, now obviously this is also a sector, but today we're just concentrating on this smaller sector. So you want to know the area of this, which is, all of that. So it's going to be in millimeters squared because it's area. So to do this, first of all, ignore the fact that this is a sector and just look at the whole circle. Now we all know the formula for area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So we can do that. Pi times, what's the radius? 50. 50 squared, okay? So that's as simple as getting the calculator. And pi times 50 and x2, which is squared, equals 7,853.98, okay? So 7,853.98, and because millimeters squared. Okay, now that's the whole thing. We're only talking about this section. So we know the degrees of a whole circle all the way around is 360. Okay, so it's 360 degrees in a whole circle, but we're only talking about the 72. So that's going to be a fraction of a circle. So first of all, we find out what percentage or what decimal of a whole one that is. So it's 72, which is what we're talking about, our sector, divided by the whole circle, 360. So I simply go 72 divided by 360. Now, obviously, before you go ahead, figure out, so you don't get confused by any random answers, that's about a quarter, a bit less than a quarter. A quarter is 25%. So this is a bit less. So we're looking for something around, I don't know, between 17 to 22%. Let's see what we get. There we go, 0.2, which is 20%. So we got 0.2. Then we simply 0.2 multiplied by the whole circle, which was what we had up here, 7,853.98. That'll give us our sector. So that's the whole circle. That's just what the percentage we're talking about, or the proportion. So 0.2 times 7,853.98 equals 1,570. Here's a rounding one as well. Okay, that's above 5 and above, it gets rounded up. So the 9 becomes a 0, and then this becomes an 8, so 0.8. And that is millimeters squared. So there you go, that's the sector of our circle for the area. You could also work out this as well. That's another sector. Okay, thanks.